Hello friends, welcome to GK World with Riza. I hope you all are fine. So today friends we are going to discuss some important questions based on solar system. So let's start with the question number 1. Which planet is nearest to sun? So the planet which is nearest to sun, you can see in the picture, it is Mercury. So Mercury is the nearest planet to sun. So second question is, which planet is called morning star or evening star? So the morning star or evening star is called to Venus. You can see here the picture of Venus. Third question is, which planet is called the hottest planet? So the hottest planet is Venus, not Mercury. It is Venus. Fourth question is, what is the study of universe called? So the study of universe is called cosmology. So fifth question is, which planet is called the blue planet? So because of much water on earth, it is known as blue planet. So sixth question is, which planet is called the red planet? So the red planet is called to Mars. You can see the picture of Mars. It is of red color. Seventh question is, which is the largest planet? So the largest planet is Jupiter, and you can see the picture of Jupiter. Eighth question is, which planet has maximum satellites? So the maximum satellites are on Saturn. So earlier it was Jupiter, but Saturn has overtaken. So ninth question is, which planet is coldest and smallest of all? So the coldest and smallest of all is Pluto, and it is the ninth planet. So 10th question is, which planet has maximum density? So the maximum density is with Earth. So Earth has maximum density. So 11th question is, which planets do not have moons? So Mercury and Venus, these are the two planets which do not have moons. So 12th question is, which planet is called veiled planet? So the veiled planet is Venus. 13th question is, how much time does sunlight take to reach Earth? So it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So 14th question is, how much time does moonlight takes to reach Earth? So that is 1 minute and 20 seconds. 15th question is, which planet spins backward relative to other planets? So it is Venus. Venus planet spins backward. 16th question is, which planet has maximum volcanoes? So the maximum volcanoes are on Venus. 17th question is, which planet rotates faster? So it is Jupiter, as it is largest planet. 18th question is, which planet has longest days? So longest days are on Venus. 19th question is, which planet has shortest days? So the shortest days are on Jupiter. 20th question is, which is the natural satellite of Earth? So the natural satellite of Earth is Moon. So 21st question is, which planet has same landmass as that of Earth? So it is Mars. 22nd question is, who was the first person to reach space? So it was Yuri Gagarin, and you can see the picture of Yuri Gagarin, and he went on space in 1961. So next question is, who was the first woman to reach space? So that was, you can see the picture of Valentina Tereshkova, and she went in 1963. 24th question is, how many days the moon takes to rotate once on the axis of Earth? So it takes 27.3 days. So 25th question, which is the last, is here. When does a lunar eclipse occurs? So the lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth is between Sun and Moon. So you can see the picture of lunar eclipse. So thank you friends. These were the important 25 questions based on solar system. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubts and queries, so please comment in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.